Uh, so let us try to create one more thing. So I'll just table row. Uh, adding IDP text view. Put wrap. Oh, my doubt is why it is not coming equal parts is what I am checking. Padding I gave. Without weight, we gave it as 1 1 only. It should come as what is that we have missed? I need to look into this why it is not taking equal parts. So I'll do one thing. Today I'll share only relative layout. Tomorrow I'll explain you again table layout. And I will see how to split into equal parts. We'll try again. We have tried this now. What we have tried yesterday, we tried creating the same login page using table layout. So what did we do first? We changed the layout to table layout, and we know that table layout consists of a rows and column. As I told you already, it will be in the form of rows and column. You need to imagine like Excel. So this will be like a column. Uh, I mean, rows. This will be like a row, and these are the columns. So same way, here when you're talking about table row, means the first one will come. So you can see here it is coming the whole thing, and the second one, if you see here, what we have done, we have created another table row. Inside table row, I created a username and I created edit text with enter your username. Similar way here, another row we have created saying password. So again, table row, and here I have set as a password. We'll make this as edit text. So hint will give. So I'll just say enter your password. So that's it. So yesterday, what problem we have faced is here we have given some padding. So because layout width and all we give. So yesterday, what mistake I have done, I'll tell you. I gave the layout width as this one. So basically, what will happen is when you're creating this padding and all, no? So it is always common na? In Excel also. For example, here I have entered a big text. See, I'm entering a very big text. You see here, na top. You can see here. My text is very big. For example, if I adjust accordingly, no, what has happened? So all the below rows are also getting affected, na? Same way. So since I have given padding here, so you can say here below rows are also getting affected, and that is the issue. So we just remove that padding, and so I just gave like this. So automatically everything has been set. Then we have created a login button also. So one important thing is which layout to use. No one will come and tell you. Again, I'm telling anyone will give you the requirements. You need to decide which is the most and optimized and the feasible way to develop and design a screen that you need to decide. If you ask me, I'll be always using linear layout because I feel that it will be pretty easy for me. Relative layout rarely I'll use, but linear layout most commonly I'll use because I don't need to segregate the things. Or just I need to give the orientation automatically, things get segregated and spacing also can be automatically adjusted. Okay. So the main purpose of table layout is to create a tables. So in order to do this, what I have done is like I have created one more layout. So in order to show demo to you guys, so I created one more layout called. So I'm just entering a